Okay, welcome back again. This is now Unit 201, Assignment 3. Okay, again, still applicable to Unit 311 as well. Okay, now remember that Unit 301 is linked to Unit 311. Unit 302 is linked to Unit 312 or Unit 312. Okay, keep that in mind. Read the information extracted. Now, let me make it quite clear, you can't rush this. The apprenticeship is a 4-year apprenticeship. You're not going to do it in 2, nor are you going to do it in 1. You're not even going to do it in 3. So get the work done. And make sure that all your units has been signed off. Okay, alright, that should be it, I think. Hopefully you'll find this useful again. Hopefully you can. Now, you must do these assignments. It prepares you for the online test and any additional work that you may need to do in regards to your NVQ. It is vital. Get it done.